welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip is about something new and completely different. You might not get excited about scissors, but some of us here at Cheap Joe's do. Itoya has a great new line of these ergonomically designed scissors that are kind of really interesting in that that's different than a conventional like stainless steel blade. These are actually titanium coated, so that you don't have to sharpen them as often and stuff. They're also ergonomically designed. They're very kind of flowy. It also has an unusually shaped curved blade. The name of these are the Hikigiri scissors, and apparently Hikigiri in Japanese means pull on, which sounds weird. But the purpose of this is, you know how like sometimes if you're using scissors, you'll actually like be pushing the blade or you'll push the paper into the blade. This one, because of this curve, is actually supposed to grab onto the paper and pull it, which is supposed to enable the blade to cut more efficiently and then not dull itself. Whereas a standard rectangular blade, what it does is when it comes down, it actually like smushes the paper and causes it to bend around the blade before it actually cuts. So that's the physics behind the whole thing. All I can say really is that these are designed to last, and it tells you in the directions. Don't leave these around kids. Don't let just anybody mess with these. They're extremely sharp. That's the truth. Don't run your fingers across them and stuff like this. So please handle them with caution. They are extremely pretty, I'll have to say. It has like a really nice reinforced handle, so they're easy to use. They're easy on the hands, and they come in these really kind of shishy colors. This one's called cinnamon, and this one's called citrus, and it's kind of like a brushed gold with a gray handle and stuff like that. So check these out if you are interested in, like if you're a paper artist or you really have a thing about cutting and paperwork and stuff like this. This would be a really smart investment. These are very nice. Quite impressed. So check out the Hikigiri scissors, available now at Cheap Joe's by Itoya, because we are sure you will enjoy.